Alright, let's go. Let me see your best stroke. We're downtown Atlanta, right outside Grady. I think you guys are ready for the Olympics.